Hello there, I'm Brittany from AJ&Smart. We are a small product design studio based in Berlin, and the video that you're about to watch is for those horrible situations when you use a permanent marker on a whiteboard. We have a solution. Just watch it. Just roll could you roll it? We're ready for the video now.
So roll it now?
Roll it.
Okay, if you've just Googled how to take permanent marker pen off a whiteboard, then you don't have time to listen to anything else that I'm about to say. You don't have time to know that my name is Kit Proudfoot, or that I work at AJ&Smart, or that we use Sharpie permanent marker pens and whiteboard markers and whiteboards. You don't have time for that because you've got this permanent marker on the board. You need it to be off there before the rest of your colleagues realise and you get told to leave forever. Okay, so you've just been stood at the whiteboard. You were probably talking to your colleagues and you were like, oh dear colleagues, how wonderful it is to work with you. Let me communicate. So you took out a pen and with gusto you started to draw on it, and then you were like in the middle of this incredible speech that you were giving, you realised that you were using a Sharpie permanent marker. You just done a boo-boo. It's dry, for heaven's sake. Look at that. Don't worry, this is how we're going to solve it. What do we have here? It's a Lumacolor whiteboard marker pen. Take it out.
Are you ready?
Gone.
Oh, hi! Did you enjoy that video? That one really changed my life, I will say. Now, we have many more videos on our YouTube channel, many more serious videos as well, just so you know. We're a design agency, so we have tons of stuff all about design sprints, about innovation processes, all that jazz. So definitely go over and check it out, and give us a subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos. We'd love to be YouTube friends with you. So head on over there. I'll be here, waiting for you to head on over there.